The sign is stress. I'm going to be using my personal experience and that of Peter in the Bible. Okay, so let's start from Peter. Peter was stressed. He was stressed, trying to catch fish all day. He went to his business place. He's a fisherman. So he went to his business place trying to catch fish, not trying to make money now, trying to make profits, but all to no avail. He could not catch any fish. Imagine that someone going to his business place from morning till night, nothing. That is typical stress. But you see, that made him to break through, okay? And the exact thing that made him to break through, I wouldn't say only stress worked for his breakthrough. It did not, he refused to give up, okay? He refused to give up. Despite the fact that he was stressed. So, despite the fact that he was stressed, he refused to give up. When he had an encounter with Jesus, when Jesus visited him, Jesus said, let down the net. He gave him direction, the exact place, because Jesus knew where he was going towards breakthrough. That is an example, a biblical example. Peter. And this is real. Stress. Number 2, he refused to give up. Many can be stressed and say, I'm not doing it again. I'm tired. Stuff like that. So he refused to give up. And now let me use my own experience. A few hours ago, I was trying to upload a short video, not on this channel. So I was trying to upload a short video, and I really struggled. I went too stressed to upload this video because it was just saying video could not export, something like that. I was like, it's not that I have free space on my phone. So at the end of the day, I just heard this in my spirit: keep trying, don't give up. And to cut the long story short, when I finally uploaded the short video, it did not even take how many minutes. Should I even say minutes? Minutes is an understatement. Seconds, you see views on that, video. I was saying, thank God. I see people engaging on that video. So the main reason for this is stress. Not all stress is not profitable. There are some stress you go through that are divine, okay? It's for a purpose, it's for a reason. There are some stress you go through that are divinely orchestrated. So don't just give up, all right? Keep trying your best, keep doing your best. Don't give up. God bless you. So see you on our next video.